Hi, I'm Eileen and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the BoxyCharm Base Box for August 2020. For those who don't know BoxyCharm, it's a monthly subscription box, $25 a month, and in each box you receive 5 full-size beauty items ranging from makeup, skincare, beauty tools, color cosmetics, and each box has an average value of $175. There are also other options to upgrade. You can choose Boxy Luxe, which is a quarterly box for $49.99. You'll get that in place of your base box, and in that you get 8 or more beauty and lifestyle items with an average value of $395. There's also Boxy Premium, which you can get in addition to your base box or instead of the base box. That's an additional monthly box for $35, and you get 6 to 7 items with an average value of $215. So let's go ahead and open her up. And the first thing we get is a card explaining this month's theme, and this month's theme is glamping, and I have received variation 65, variation 65. So the first thing I see is the Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Face Moisturizer, and this is a lightweight anti-redness moisturizer with omega rich cannabis sativa seed oil that helps calm irritation, relieve visible redness, and optimize skin's barrier defenses against environmental assault. It's a soothing formula with hyaluronic acid. It's proven to hydrate all day and provides instant relief from skin stress, and it helps optimize skin's barrier, protect against blue light exposure. Is that really a thing? And also acts as the perfect post-mask treatment to reduce visible redness, leaving skin calm and nourished. And it is for normal, dry, and combination skin. Ooh, we got a cover on here. And doesn't smell like much, but you can see it's fairly loose. But I'm interested to try this, and it says for skincare concerns, dryness, dullness, and uneven texture, and redness. And this is the 1.7 ounce or 50 milliliter full size, and it retails for $54. Okay, our second item is the Cargo Cosmetics Nude Beach Eyeshadow Palette. And this is a combination of 9 neutral eyeshadows and shimmer eyeshadows to complement and define your eyes. And they call it a travel-friendly palette, perfect for beautifully enhanced everyday look. It retails for $39.99. And mine is broken. Lovely. So you can see this shade here in the bottom corner, which is called Lincoln Road. Well, Lincoln Road has broken all over the place, so we're not going to hold that up too long. But the colors are Coconut Groove, South Point, Pastelito, Espanola Way, Cordadito, Moon Over Miami, Brickell, Wynwood, and Lincoln Road. Again, let's see if I can do this without spelling it. I wasn't able to find this palette anywhere else other than on resale sites like Poshmark and eBay, so I can't verify the retail value, but they do say it retails for $39.99. They do have other palettes, but not in this shape or format, so I can't even compare to saying, okay, what are their other 9-pan palettes? But their other palettes on the Cargo website are 12-pan palettes that retail for $34, but the pans are different shape and size, so there's really no way to compare them, but they do say it retails for $39.99, and our friends at BoxyCharm are going to have to hear from me about that one. Okay, next item is from MAC Cosmetics, and it is the MAC Cosmetics Luster Lipstick. I did receive an email from BoxyCharm warning me that they have duplicated an item in my base and premium boxes this month, and they gave me some charms to compensate. I am assuming that this is the duplicate item, since this was not one that I had seen as a possibility for the base box. But since I've got such a high number, variation 65, maybe they ran out of some of the other stuff. The shade that I've got is shade 524 Syrup, and it is described as a cloudy pink. So let's open her up. And I do have broken eyeshadow on my fingers. Traditional MAC bullet packaging, and that is the shade, and that is a color that I would wear, so I'm not unhappy with that, not mad at that at all. And the retail on that is $19. Okay, next we have from Mine Tan Body Skin Hydra Glow Sleep Serum, and this is a triple action hyaluronic acid formula delivering time-released multi-depth hydration for fully hydrated skin that glows. And according to the folks at Mine Tan Body Skin, this is a limited edition product. It is a tan-free formula, which is good because, as you can tell, I'm not someone who tans. It is lightweight, anti-inflammatory, suitable for all skin types, and can be applied to both body and face, and can be used with makeup. They do suggest that you wash your hands after use, and it retails for $44.95. Goodness. Okay. Not sure about that one. We'll have to think about that. And our final product is from Morphe. It is the I Got This 4-piece brush set. These are 4 natural and synthetic brushes. There's an oval shadow brush, which is synthetic, a Pro Firm blending crease brush, which is natural, a tapered mini blending brush, which is natural, and the angle liner brush, which is a synthetic brush. These are not the numbered Morphe brushes that you can buy individually, but that's not unusual for brush sets available on the Morphe site, and this one is available on the Morphe site. This is not a Boxy exclusive set. But yes, box brush sets, including some collabs that have a combination of numbered brushes and non-numbered kind. So this is not unusual for Morphe brushes. The set retails for $12, and according to the Morphe website, it is a $27 value. So that's it. Those are our 5 items. So let's see what we've got. We have the Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. This is something I'm looking forward to trying, so I'm excited about that one. The Cargo Nude Beach Eyeshadow Palette. Again, this one was broken, but this is not something I would keep. This is something I would give away, but I'll contact the folks at Boxy and see what happens there. The MAC Cosmetics Luster Lipstick in Syrup. That's something I'm going to keep because that's definitely my shade. The Mine Tan Body Skin Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. This is something I'm going to pass, so this is something I'll put in a future giveaway. This is not something that I'm terribly interested in. Hopefully somebody that self-tans might get some better use out of this. And the Morphe I Got This brush set. As you can see, I've got a lot of brushes, so I'm going to keep this and pass this along in a future giveaway as well. So that's the box for $25 cost. Total retail value of my box was $169.94, so that's certainly got its $25 value. And the total retail value of what I'm keeping is $73 so far, which is the MAC and the Glam Glow. That does not include whatever they do for me for the broken palette. If they just replace it, I will put it in a video. If they replace it with something else, then we'll see. But for right now, even with only keeping 2 products, I've got $73 value for $25. That's not bad. So thank you for hanging out, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. I'm looking forward to doing a lot of fun things with you here. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.